Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to set Python path in environment variables. First I will show you that I have installed Python in this system. But if I open command prompt and type Python hyphen capital V to check the version of Python, this will throw an error that is Python was not found. To solve this error we have to add Python path in system variables. So let's see how to do it. So go to the start menu and scroll down to the Python folder. Then just right click on Python 3.11. Go to the more and click on open file location. Then again right click on Python 3.11 and click on open file location. This will bring you to the Python file location. We have to add this path which contain python.exe and the one which contain pip.exe. So let's copy this path and minimize this window. Then search for system environment variables and open it. Then click on environment variables. In system variable section, select path variable and click on edit button. To add path which we have copied, just click on new button and paste it here. Again go to the file explorer and open script folder and copy this path. Then close this window and again click on new button and paste it here. Then click on OK button and again OK and OK. Again go to the command prompt and type python hyphen capital V. Now this will show you the version which you have installed. Now you can also run Python commands in command prompt. For that just type Python. This will open Python in command prompt. Now you can type commands here. For now I am just typing print hello world. You can see output here. If you are getting any type of error, then comment down below. If you have liked this video, then like, share and hit subscribe button. Thanks for watching.